Hello friends, welcome to Shiksharthi. In this session, we shall discuss about the Parliament. So let's begin. Parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President of India. It's important to know the President is also a integral part. Without his or bill become. That is why the makers of the institution has given President of the Parliament. So remember, Parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and let's talk about one by one. So first, Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as the House of the People or lower house of the Parliament. Lok Sabha has a max strength of 552 members and these members are categorized into elected and nominated. Out of 552, 550 are elected members and 2 members are nominated. Nominated members are directly elected by the President from the Anglo community. Lok Sabha nominated members are nominated by the President of India from the Anglo community. Rest 500 members are directly elected by the of India. 552. But if we talk about the current Lok Sabha strength, that is the 7th Lok Sabha, it has a total strength of 545 members, out of which 543 are elected members and members from the Anglo. The tenure of any Lok Sabha is 5 years, but the tenure of the Lok Sabha can be less than 5 years or it can be more than 5 years also. Less than 5 years when the Lok Sabha is dissolved before its regular term of 5 years, which mostly happens in the case of coalition government. Just like in 1996, Atal Bihari Vajpayee government fell down in 30 days and immediately H.D. Deve Gowda became the next Prime Minister. His government formed for only 1 year. Then Indra Kumar Gujral government came. So that Lok Sabha tenure was for 3 years. In 1999, again Lok Sabha election took place. So tenure of Lok Sabha can be less than 5 years if it dissolves before the expiry of 5 years. It can also be more than 5 years in the case of national emergency. So this has been taken place only once during the case of 1975 national emergency. Now, what are the conditions for becoming a member of Lok Sabha? There should be one universal condition, that is, the person should be a citizen of India. Second condition is that he or she should be at least 25 years of age. That is, minimum age criteria is 25 years. A person who has completed 25 years of age can become a member of Lok Sabha. The head of the Lok Sabha is known as the Speaker of the which holds a very position. Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected from members of Lok Sabha, members of the Lok Sabha and members of the Rajya Sabha. They are combinedly member of Parliament. That is why Lok Sabha members are also known as MPs, member of Parliament. Rajya Sabha members are also Parliament. Or next is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament, or it is also known as Council of States. Maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 200, out of which 238 members are elected and 12 nominated members. These 12 nominated members are 4 different fields: science, social service, literature, arts. So there are 12 nominated members in the Rajya Sabha and 2 nominated members from the Anglo-Unity Lok Sabha. So overall there are 14 nominated members present in the Parliament member. But the current strength of the Rajya Sabha is 145, out of which 233 elected and 12 are nominated members. Rajya Sabha is elected indirectly. What is the tenure of the Rajya Sabha? This is very important thing. Rajya Sabha is a never dissolving chamber of the parliament, but the term of the members of 6 years duration, which means that after every 2 years, 1/3 of the members of the Rajya Sabha are. So very important point. Rajya Sabha is a never dissolving body or continued chamber of the parliament, but member has term or duration. What are the conditions for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha? First one, again universal, should be a citizen of India, but here the minimum criteria 30 years. Such criteria 30 years for the Rajya Sabha. The head of the Rajya Sabha known as chairman Rajya Sabha. The head of the Rajya Sabha is chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and vice president is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Remember this, vice president of India is ex officio chair Rajya Sabha. Very important point this is. Now, part of the parliament, president. Just need a basic thing regarding president. President, indirect president tenure of can be elected infinitely time. Minimum for becoming president of India 35 years. In case president's office falls vacant, vice president became the president of India, but at that time he or she is the acting president of India. Okay. So that's all for this session. I hope you all like the session. Please go through the session once again if not able to understand anything, and attempt the quiz on our subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.